If you run a business in the Empire State, this video will help you understand New York business insurance requirements and some of the other commonly purchased commercial policies available. New York business insurance helps protect your company and potentially your personal assets from lawsuits, claims, and settlements that can reach into the millions. What type of business insurance is required in New York? New York requires only 4 types of commercial insurance policies and only under specific circumstances. Workers' compensation. Small businesses with any non-owner employees are required by New York state law to buy workers' compensation insurance coverage. Business auto. If the business has vehicles that are used for business purposes, those cars or trucks must have commercial auto insurance. Paid family leave. Most private employers with 1 or more employees are required to obtain paid family leave insurance. Disability benefits. Under the law, any employer who has had in New York State employment of 1 or more employees on each of the last 30 days in any calendar year is required to provide for the payment of disability benefits to all eligible employees, which includes full-time and part-time employees. Any other policies and coverages are optional for your business to purchase. There is not one small business insurance policy that covers every risk. There are different commercial insurance policies that cover various accidents, damages, and lawsuits that could financially devastate a small business in New York without the right protection. The most common optional policies are general liability and commercial property. How much does New York business insurance cost? The main factors that determine the cost of small business insurance in New York are location, industry, claims history, gross sales, number of employees, payroll, deductibles, policy limits, years of experience, number of vehicles, and others. In general, the riskier the business is and the larger the business is, the higher the premiums are. Typically, small businesses in New York pay between a few hundred to a few $1,000s per year for general liability insurance. Speak with a New York licensed commercial insurance broker to get an exact price. Where do you get a New York business insurance quote? Call the New York Business Insurance Quote Line at 855-767-7828 from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time to start your free quote, or simply click on the link below.